Melina, you know what I'm doing right now?
What are you doing?
Yes.
You might be watching some sports game.
Yes, and what else?
You're at the concert or you're at the show.
Yes.
You're ready to hunt.
So what
Bird
I got
watching.
yes, so what I got in my hand?
You have a
Melina?
monocular telescope for smartphone.
Yes, let's begin now. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. So if you love bird watching, sport,
Hunting.
and hunting, well, that will be the one, the monocular one. That's pretty simple to use, and I'll show you some of the details here. It comes with let me change camera first so we can see that in double view. So this, if you want to use for safety, you can just put it right there. But if not, you remove the little screw there. You use the tripod. It comes with the whole set. Then you just go this way and you set it. Now here you change your focus, and with this, and how long we can see 1,000 with 1,000
You
yards.
know what? Super far. It's 1,000 yards. I just translated it to meters. That is over 9 blocks away.
Wow.
I know. You can even see like your neighbor's house very, very, very far away.
Yeah. So the nice thing too, also comes with the full instructions, the whole manual. But the nice thing comes with this adapter for your cell phone. So you set this right over here, right? Sit right there. Now the idea is you need to put the camera right in the middle. So first you focus everything. One is focus, so you can open the camera and focus and see it around the phone. Instead to use your, so you open from here. And now we set the phone right in the camera, right there. So you come here and then you just focus. When you're done and you're ready and you wanted to catch a bird, you use the free remote control that comes with the unit, and that's good for your Android devices and also for iOS. So one can take a picture, the other one, it says here Android, iOS, and you can use it for the picture, the film, depends how you set up the camera. And when you're ready, you just press and take pictures. It also comes with a nice to clean and a nice carrying bag.
That's really convenient because if you're going hunting or bird watching, you can put it in your bag, just in the little baggie, and then your shoes will never scratch.
Right. So, Melina, how we can get this
monocular? Just press the link below.
Thank you, Melina.